This is an interesting one. I think you might have a point of view on this. Well, Sony is going to make some of their exclusive first-party titles available on PC. Now, don't go any further. I want you to tell me why they would do this.
Market share, maybe.
Go ahead.
To compete with Microsoft and their titles, right? Maybe to have, I guess, yeah, just market share. Imagine having, like, Last of Us or God of War on PC. That would be awesome. I would totally buy a PC for that.
Okay, you're wrong.
No, okay.
I mean, maybe you're not wrong completely. I'm sure that would play some sort of a role, but it's actually the opposite. They don't want you to buy a PC to play the game. They're going to reluctantly give you the title on PC much later in order to let you know what you missed out on by not having had a PlayStation.
So early access?
Almost like
on PlayStation?
like a tiered system. If they can make you a fan of a particular series because you don't have a PlayStation yet, but you're on PC, that you may invest in a PlayStation so next time around you get that title straight away.
I see. Yeah,
apparently, they're trying to sell the PlayStation brand as a whole. The game they're talking about, I never played it. Horizon Zero Dawn. Have you heard of it?
I just got it on PC.
Oh, wow. Okay, so that was a PlayStation title that's now available on Steam.
Mm-hmm.
How much did you pay for it?
Gosh, I think it was like $60 or $70 or something.
Even though it's much later.
Yeah, I'm going to have to check.
Okay.
Someone else bought it, but I was playing it.
Someone bought it on your Steam.
Yeah.
How does that work? You have a shared Steam?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Is that legal?
No.
Oh, okay. As Eurogamer reports, confirmation of future PC ports was discovered in the company's 2020 corporate report. We will explore expanding our first-party titles to the PC platform in order to promote further growth in our profitability. I think it is important that we stay open to new ideas of how to introduce more people to PlayStation and show people maybe what they've been missing out on by not having had a PlayStation.
I see.
You see, so it could be, I guess it's both things. You weren't completely wrong. Obviously, profitability is what every company operates on. Mm-hmm. But if it's even, it could be if you're a non-PlayStation gamer, you really enjoy this PlayStation gaming experience on PC with a PlayStation exclusive title, then your potential profitability goes through the roof because you may then turn into a PSN subscriber, a PlayStation purchaser, and buying the exclusives more earlier. This is an older game, as I mentioned, but you could imagine it applying to other Sony exclusives that could be really big on PC at a later date. Games, you're a fan of all these Sony exclusive games.
Oh, yeah. Naughty Dog and I think Santa Monica Studios.
Look at you.
God of War. It's great.
Willie do.
Yeah.